Hello friends, welcome back to Market Market. Today is 8th of July and I'm back again with another update. So just wanted to give a quick update on today's price action on Nifty. So today this is Nifty's daily chart and today we have seen a correction of about a percent. Yesterday it opened, so today it opened at the almost at the same levels as yesterday. It tried to inch up higher, but actually was rejected quickly. I had not been tracking this 200-day simple moving average. I have been tracking these exponential moving averages, but so it is actually right under the 200-day simple moving average. Usually this is also monitored by a lot of market participants. So it is just a tad below 30-40 points below this 200-day simple moving average, and we saw a quick reaction there in the markets. The trend line too, which we were monitoring, actually is broken, and Nifty is below that trend line. But nothing much can be said about just this single candle. We need to see how the follow up will be tomorrow. FIIs today have actually sold massively to the tune of 1,600 crores. DIIs have also sold. Looks like there is profit booking coming into the markets after a steep rally we have seen from 9,500 to close to 10,800, about 1,300 points without any major correction. Maybe there is some profit booking happening here. So the levels to watch out for are, friends, I'll take out this trend line for now just to keep it simple. So the levels to watch out, friends, is 10,550, 200-day exponential moving average, right, as support, and as resistance we have this 200-day simple moving average and the levels of 11,000 under which we have seen big consolidations before, as I had pointed out, right? So these could be the levels to watch out for next few days: 10,880, 11,000 on the upside, and 10,550 and 200 AME on the downside. So let's see if what kind of a follow-up candle will this make. If tomorrow also it makes a very bearish candle to follow up with this, then we can say the markets are retracing the previous rally. Let's wait until tomorrow. So this is for now. This has formed a very bearish candle, bearish engulfing candle. It has engulfed last two days of candles, which were actually already pretty short and narrow range candles. So it has completely engulfed last 2 days of candle. So this could be a reversal and may retrace this rally. We'll wait and see what kind of candle is formed tomorrow. Right, friends. On Bank Nifty, as we had seen yesterday, it had actually broken out some critical resistances from this trend line, as well as the 38% retracement at 22,400. So after the breakout, it has not followed up with a very good candle. This is like again a very bearish candle. It actually opened low, went all the way up to 23,000 and was rejected sharply from there. So if Bank Nifty cannot hold these levels in the coming days, and if it falls out, then this will be very bearish for Bank Nifty, as well as for Nifty as well, because all the other sectors, most of the other sectors, have done their part, as we can see. As we can see. So before moving on, so for Bank Nifty, friends, so these are the critical levels to watch out for. If these levels are not held for next few days, and if it actually breaks below this, so this rally may be retraced to some extent, and we'll see some weakness on Nifty as well. So this is about Bank Nifty. As I was saying, friends, most of the sectors have already done well, have run up quite a bit. Like let's say IT has seen a massive rally already. Pharma, as we know, this had already rallied quite well. FMCG is at all-time highs, close to all-time highs. Energy too, backed by Reliance, had rallied up quite a lot. Metals has not rallied much. In fact, it is actually showing a good consolidation pattern and preparing for a breakout. Auto, as we have seen, friends, has rallied quite heavily. It has actually passed 200 EMA and 62% retracement. Media has not rallied much. So basically, the recent rally in Nifty was backed by IT, auto, energy, and FMCG. So all these sectors have done quite well already. I think next leg, if further up move, if we have to see on Nifty, Bank Nifty has to do well, metals have to do well, which have not really run up in last few days. So Bank Nifty becomes very crucial here. If Bank Nifty cannot hold these levels, and if it falls off these levels, then we can see some major correction in Nifty too. Right, friends. So just wanted to give a quick update. So this is where we stand. These are the support levels, and these are the resistance levels. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.